Coinbase Pro versus Kraken. Which exchange is better? Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're comparing Coinbase Pro versus Kraken to help you decide which crypto exchange is best for you. Coinbase Pro overview. Coinbase Pro, now merged into Coinbase Advanced Trade, is designed for people who want more control and lower fees compared to the basic Coinbase app. Features include advanced charting tools, limit and stop orders, lower trading fees than the standard Coinbase app, backed by Coinbase's strong security and regulation. Best for beginners moving into intermediate trading or anyone who wants trusted security with a US regulated platform. Kraken overview. Kraken is one of the oldest and most reputable crypto exchanges, launched in 2011. Offers wide range of cryptocurrencies, advanced trading features including futures and margin trading, strong global presence and highly rated security track record, known for its transparent fees and professional trading tools. Best for more experienced traders who want advanced options and global access. Coinbase Pro versus Kraken. Side by side. Ease of use. Coinbase Pro is a little more beginner friendly, while Kraken may feel advanced but offers more tools. Fees. Both offer competitive fees, but Kraken generally comes out slightly cheaper for frequent traders. Security. Both are highly secure, but Kraken has never been hacked. Features. Kraken offers futures and margin, while Coinbase Pro focuses on spot trading with strong regulation. Final verdict. Choose Coinbase Pro, Advanced Trade, if you're newer to trading, want a smooth interface, and value US regulation. Choose Kraken if you're a more advanced trader, want access to futures, margin trading, and global options. That's it for today's comparison of Coinbase Pro versus Kraken. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more crypto guides. Coinbase Pro, Kraken, Crypto Exchange, How to Mastery.